This fitting guide is for the TA4638. The contents of the box will look like this once you've opened it. First, remove both of the headrests from the seats. Find the driver's side backrest cover by using the T&C logo on the left. Undo all of the hook and loop fastenings. Before throwing it over the back of the seat like a jacket. Secure the cover around the headrest fixings. And pull it over the seat adjusters. Next, secure the cover using the hook and loop fastenings. Tuck the cover through underneath the seat so it comes out at the back. You can then secure the cover in place using the hook and loop fastenings at the back. Next, take the base cover. The base cover has a bolt rope sewn into the bottom of the cover. Loop the cover over the bottom of the seat. And pull it down around all sides of the base of the seat. Push the excess material through to the back of the seat. Pull it tight. And tuck in the bolt rope to the plastic housing. This part of the cover can be particularly tough to tuck in, so it may help to use a tool such as a spoon. This process is repeated on the other side of the cover. On the cover that you pushed through to the back of the seat, you can now undo the hook and loop fastenings, wrap it round the metal bar on the bottom, and secure it. Take the headrest covers, which look like this, and undo the hook and loop fastenings. The headrest covers are easiest installed when the headrest is in the seat. Pull it over the top of the headrest. And secure the hook and loop fastenings like so. Here is another angle on the hook and loop fastenings on the bottom of the headrest so you can see how it is secured. The process for the passenger seat is exactly the same as the driver's seat. Your seats are now fully covered.